Welcome to our Sixth Form Assembly for the week commencing the 6th of December. I want to start by saying congratulations to Year 12 student Fionn Williams, who's been elected as a Welsh Youth Parliament member for Cardiff West. Thank you to everyone who registered to vote and for supporting Fionn. And if you'd like to check out more about the Welsh Youth Parliament, please check out their website. It's full of great resources so you can find out about the role of the Parliament and the different topics and issues that they're involved with. Now, lots of Year 12 and Year 13 students have been undergoing assessments recently in the different subjects, and I just want to remind everyone that the WJEC have a whole range of resources available to support you on their website. They have knowledge organisers, they have blended learning resources, they have exam walkthroughs where WJEC examiners go through how to answer different sorts of questions. They have lots of digital tools and resources, so please check out this fantastic resource. So all you have to do is go onto the WJEC website for a link or check out their fantastic Twitter feed, which will regularly update you when resources are added. Now, lots of students have been taking advantage of our Radyr Sixth Form webinar series, and we have another webinar coming up on Tuesday the 7th of December at 5 p.m. and this is with the University of Worcester. Dr. Duncan Westbury, who's a principal lecturer at the University of Worcester, will be talking about their BSc Honours Environmental Management and Sustainability course, and he'll also be giving you a taster lecture on sustainable food production. Now, if you're a student interested in the environment or you study geography, humanities subjects, science subjects, this is a great opportunity. So please check your emails for details of how to register on our Eventbrite site, and once you register, we'll send you the Teams link so you can attend this webinar. Now, in my assemblies, I always mention about an organisation called Young Professionals because they have a fantastic range of opportunities for Year 12 and Year 13 students. And on Wednesday, the 8th of December at 5 p.m, they have a virtual insight into engineering, which is a multi-employer event, and they'll be joined by 5 of the biggest engineering companies in the world. They have Siemens, Spectris, Vodafone, Equans and Enmite, which is a specialist engineering university, and each company will speak for 20 minutes, giving an insight into their business and a taste of what it's like to work for the organisation. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for this. Now, another great event for Year 12 and Year 13 students is this event being run on Tuesday the 7th of December, and this is also by Young Professionals, and they're bringing together PwC, CIMA, Grant Thornton and Mazars, 4 of the world's biggest companies, and they'll be talking about accounting and professional services careers, and each company will speak for 25 minutes, giving an insight in their business, and then they will run interactive workshops to give a taste of what it's like to work for such a big organisation and company. So please check your emails for details of this. It'd be great if you could sign up if you're interested in these sorts of careers. Now, another organisation that we often mention in our assembly videos is All About School Leavers, and they have a fantastic website, but they also run a range of webinars to help you find out more about different careers and different school leavers programs and the different apprenticeships. So they have accountancy apprenticeship webinars taking place on Tuesday the 7th of December between 5:30 and 6:30 p.m. and they also have another event which is a repeat of this event on Wednesday the 12th of January, and it's an opportunity to find out about accountancy apprenticeships with RSM, one of the world's biggest companies, and they'll talk about the different apprenticeship programs and school leavers programs that they offer. So if you're interested in accountancy, please check out these opportunities. Now, if you're interested in practical apprenticeships, All About School Leavers are running an event on the 13th of January in partnership with Rolls-Royce, and they'll talk through the different apprenticeships and school leavers programs that they have to offer. So that is 4:30 to 5:30 on the 13th of January. Now, if you're interested in science subjects and you want to find out more about the pharmaceutical industry, please check out this webinar that All About School Leavers are putting on in partnership with AstraZeneca, and this is at 4:30 to 5:30 on Tuesday the 18th of January, and they'll talk to you about the different career pathways that they offer and the different school leavers programs and apprenticeship opportunities. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for this, and I've also put the web link to register for these webinars on this slide. Now, at Radyr Sixth Form, we have lots of students interested in IT, computer science and technology, and All About School Leavers are running a fantastic webinar on Wednesday the 19th of January in partnership with BP, and you'll be able to find out about all the different apprenticeship opportunities that BP offer, and they have a software development apprenticeship available, and this is a level 4 apprenticeship opportunity. So the qualifications that you're doing in school are a level 3, so this will build very nicely on that. Now, the aim of this webinar is to talk you through what would be involved in a Level 4 software development apprenticeship, and you'll also find out what the different projects are that BP are involved in and what it's like to work for one of the world's biggest companies. Now, over the last few weeks, I've emailed about the Social Mobility Foundation Aspiring Professionals Programme, and this is an amazing programme where they offer opportunities for students interested in accountancy, architecture, banking, finance, biology, chemistry, business, engineering, physics, law, medicine, politics, etc. Now, these opportunities are for students who meet a certain eligibility criteria. So you need to be eligible for free school meals or be the first generation of your family to attend university. And you also need to be a Year 12 student who achieved at least 5 A grades at GCSE, and you also need to be on track for ABB at A-level. So please check your emails for details of this opportunity, and you have to apply by Friday the 10th of December at 12 noon if you want to take part. Now, if you meet the eligibility criteria and you're interested in applying, please check your emails for details, and in your emails I've sent you the website where it shows you all the different programs that they have to offer, and you can see that they have a variety of different programs. They have APP City, which is for students who live within 60 minutes of Birmingham, Leeds, Liverpool and Manchester, or 90 minutes of Cardiff, Glasgow and Newcastle. And they also have an APP Employers Insight program, and they have a range of opportunities here for students interested in engineering, law, accountancy, medicine, etc. And they also have an APP Reach for students anywhere in the UK outside of London who meet the criteria. So you have to apply for this by Friday the 10th of December. So please check your emails for details and look through the website for all the programs that they offer. Now, if you're in Year 13 and you've applied for medicine, dentistry or veterinary science, you'll be waiting to hear back from universities who will be inviting you for interview, and many universities will interview people via these multiple mini interview sessions, and we are putting a mock MMI session for Year 13 students who have applied for medicine, dentistry or veterinary science on Wednesday after school. So please email Miss Jones if you want to book a place at this session. Now, if you're interested in healthcare courses or psychology or health and social care, Swansea University are running an event on the 6th of December at 6 p.m. where you can talk to current students to learn more about what it's like to study these subjects. And they also have an event on the 14th of December where they'll help you prepare an application for courses in health or psychology or medical sciences. And they have another event on the 20th of January where you can learn about adult nursing and what you would need to know if you wanted to apply for the course, and the different entry requirements and the interview process and what you can do in terms of work experience, etc. So this is another great opportunity. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for this. Now, if you're a Year 12 student who's a member of the Seren Network, please check your emails for details of how to sign up for the Seren Annual Conference, which takes place in December. This is a fantastic event. It's taking place virtually, and it will have a host of speakers from the world's top universities. It will talk about summer schools, it will talk about admission tests, it will talk about personal statements, it will talk about the different opportunities available, and it's a fantastic event. So please check your emails to sign up for this. Also, if you're a Year 12-7 student, I've emailed you about this great opportunity from Cambridge University. Seren have partnered with Cambridge to offer HE+, which is a programme of academic enrichment, and it will run from January to September, and it'll be online, and it's a fantastic series of webinars taking place throughout that period. So please check your emails for sign-up details. Now, if you're a student interested in applying to either Oxford or Cambridge University and you're in Year 12, please check out the unique summer schools that are offered by Oxford. These are a range of free summer schools. They're amazing, and our students who have undertaken these before have said they've been fantastic and have really helped them decide what they want to do. Now, although you can't apply yet, you can go on the website and register, and then they'll send you all the details when the applications do open. Now, if you're a student who's interested in journalism or broadcasting, you might want to check out this opportunity, and it's from an organisation called the John Schofield Trust, and they work with an online mentoring charity called Brightside to provide online mentoring for around 40 students who are considering journalism as a career. So it lasts 12 weeks and it takes place in the spring term, and you're eligible because you're at a sixth form in Cardiff, and Cardiff's been identified as an area they'd like to work with. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for this. And over the last few weeks, I've been emailing out some great opportunities for students to engage with universities, employers and other organisations. Now, this first opportunity is from the University of Bristol, and it's called the Writing Wrongs Programme, and it's a programme designed to help students develop their writing skills. And in the programme, it will focus on social justice and writing, and participants respond to a social justice issue of their choice through writing either creatively or factually or in prose or in poetic form, and they'll work with professional writers and researchers to develop their writing skills. They'll learn about pursuing a career in writing and have opportunities to ask questions and get individual feedback from academics, professional writers and current students. Now, the deadline for applying for this is December the 12th, and it's a series of sessions that will take place online. And this is a great opportunity if you're interested in English or being a professional writer maybe in the future to develop your skills. So please check your emails for details of this. Now, they're also offering a second programme which is called Unlock the Arts Academy, and it allows students to learn more about the arts and creative industries, and you'll receive 6 virtual or physical sessions including masterclasses from professionals on how to get jobs in the industry such as publishing, broadcasting and production, and you'll hone your skills as a creative entrepreneur and get to visit some of Bristol's most interesting creative companies. Now, given this programme has some in-person sessions, students will need to be able to travel independently to the centre of Bristol for a 4:30 p.m. start. Now, we will support you with this. We will let you leave school early to attend these sessions if you are successful in gaining a place on the programme. So please check your emails for details of how to apply. Now, over the last few weeks, I've been mentioning in all my assemblies different apprenticeship opportunities. Now, if you're interested in this degree apprenticeship opportunity with CGI, which is one of Wales's biggest companies, and they have a degree apprenticeship opportunity in applied software engineering at Swansea University, you need to apply as soon as possible because the deadline is the 31st of December. So please check your emails in my previous assemblies to learn more about this opportunity. Now, in my previous assemblies, I've mentioned this great opportunity, which is a 6-year apprenticeship where you qualify as a solicitor with a company called CMS, and you earn £18,000 to £19,999 as you complete this programme, and you will study for a degree with the University of Law. Now, if you're interested in this opportunity, you have to apply by the 24th of December. Now, as we come to the end of this assembly, I just want to say well done to our Year 13 students who are applying to university and have got their UCAS forms sent off. We've sent around 70 UCAS forms off so far, which is great, and it's been really pleasing to see so many students get offers so quickly, and lots of students already have all 5 offers, which is fantastic. I want to say thank you to your form tutors for all the hard work they put in to support you with these statements. Now, I just want to remind everyone that if you're in Austin, Curie, Freud or Holmes, I'm your UCAS referee. If you're in Keynes, Pascal or Thomas, it's Miss Jones. And students must get their personal statement passed by their form tutor before they contact their UCAS referee. Now, we will continue to process UCAS applications right the way through the autumn term, and it's important that you work with your form tutors to get a really good statement, and then it will come to us and we will give you the support you need as your UCAS referee to make sure that your UCAS form is correct and that we have a really top-notch statement to send off. Now, to finish this assembly, I just want to mention a website which I really like called Action for Happiness, and it's a website that is full of resources and tips to help you with your well-being, and every month they have a well-being calendar, and this is the calendar for December. Now, December's theme is kindness, and kindness is contagious and helping others has been proven to make us feel better. So they want you to focus on being generous with your time and attention rather than money, and it's free and better for everyone as well as our planet. And each day they have a different idea where you can spread some happiness and kindness, and they would like you, for example, to contact someone you can't be with to see how they're doing, or to support a charity cause, or buy an extra item and donate it to a local food bank. There are lots of great ideas here, so I hope you try these different ideas and we are all kind to each other over the next few weeks and months. So I hope everyone has a fantastic week ahead, and if you have any issues or problems, please talk to your form tutors or a member of the sixth form team, because we're all here to help you and support you.